Let's first go to innate immunity. Innate immunity is immunity that is present from the time of birth. And it is non-specific. It is always in a ready state to fight or prevent pathogens. Innate immunity can be classified into two types. One is described as the first line of defense. And the other, the second line of defense. First line of defense and the second line of defense. The first line of defense is in the form of physical barriers. And chemical barriers. That prevent the entry of pathogens. The classical example for this is the skin itself. The outermost layer of the skin, the outermost layer of epidermis, is represented by keratinized layer of epithelium, and that layer of epithelium is deposited with a protein called keratin. All the cells are dead, so the outermost layer in our skin is dead, preventing the entry of pathogens. So it prevents the entry of pathogens. Infection occurs only in regions where there is a wound in the skin. Otherwise, through the normal skin, there cannot be direct entry of pathogens. Even the sweat produced from the skin has the capacity to kill some of the bacteria because it contains an enzyme, lysozyme, an antibacterial enzyme. Sebum is another secretion from the skin, an oily secretion from the sebaceous glands. Even sebum contains the enzyme lysozyme, which can kill bacteria. Apart from this, the tears coming from the lacrimal glands of the eye also contain lysozyme, antibacterial enzyme. So the tears not only trap unwanted dust and other particles from entering inside the body, also because of the enzyme lysozyme can kill bacteria. The mucous lining in the respiratory and alimentary passages. Mucous glands are present along the entire length of the respiratory passage and the digestive canal, and these mucous glands also trap bacteria and other disease causing agents. In addition to this, we have acid secretion in the stomach. We know that hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach as a part of gastric juice, and there we have described that hydrochloric acid has an important role in killing the germs. So acid secretion and acidic pH. Acidic pH in various parts of the body. Even the skin pH is acidic, gastric juice pH is acidic, urine pH is acidic. So that acidic pH also prevents the multiplication of bacteria. Then in the ear there are ceruminous glands, wax producing glands, and that wax is called cerumen. It is also meant for trapping unwanted particles as also pathogens. Even the vaginal secretions in women, vaginal secretions are also known to contain the enzyme lysozyme, which is known for its antibacterial properties. So these physical and chemical barriers form the first line of defense. They are not for any specific type of pathogens. They are not for any specific type of pathogens. Therefore, they are all non-specific barriers.